Hi, I'm Ollie Mitchell, and in this QLab tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use camera cues. A camera cue allows you to use live footage within your show. You could just plug a camera directly into a projector, but then you wouldn't be able to fade it in and out nicely, or use any other projection alongside it. With QLab, you can treat the camera just as any other video or image, so you can fade it in and out, move it around, or have it just on a certain part of the screen. First, go into your settings using the cog and into the camera tab. Here you can set which cameras you are using. The default will be your built-in webcam if you have one. It will also detect some USB webcams, but the best option is to use a DV camcorder. If your camera is plugged in and switched on, it should appear on this list. For this tutorial, I'll just use the built-in webcam. So once you've made sure that your camera is patched, click Done. Now just drag a camera cue in. Make sure the correct camera is selected and the correct display surface is selected, and then execute the cue. As you can see, the cue has loaded. There is a slight delay with any live video feed through QLab. You will need to decide if the delay is small enough to matter in your particular solution. The delay will be affected by all sorts of things, ranging from the camera, the cable quality and length, and your computer speed. So now you've got your camera cue set up, you can use it in exactly the same way as a video cue. So let's make our camera cue fade in. So click on it, and in display and geometry set the opacity to 0. Now bring in a fade cue, assign the camera to it, and set the opacity to 100. Now we'll add an auto continue, and we're done. So now if I click go, you'll see the cue fades in. That concludes our QLab tutorial on camera cues. Hopefully you can see the power of running cameras through QLab instead of just plugging them straight into a projector. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.